Are you having problems with your Instagram Reels lagging? Well, then you have come to the perfect video because actually I have found a solution for this. So make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first step is going to be for us to actually close our Instagram app. And instead, I'm going to go into the App Store because I have an iPhone. But if you do have an Android phone, then you can just go into the Google Play Store basically. And in here, I'm just going to search for Instagram. So it's very important that you firstly search for Instagram in here, and I'm going to explain to you just in a second why we need to do this. So I'm just going to scroll down in here, and as you can see, I do have this Instagram app in here. And for me, as you can see, I get this blue button in here where it says open. But if it says update for you, well, then it's very important that you do click on that button because you have to have the latest Instagram version for this to work, just so you know. So click on the update button and then wait for it to update. And now when it says open for you like it does for me, well then perfect. That means that you do have the latest Instagram update. So now we can just go back into our Instagram app. So the second step is going to be for us to come to our profile right here, as you can see. So you need to firstly come to your profile right here and then click on like the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And in here, we're going to click where it says settings. So click on settings in here. And perfectly, as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here. So what I'm going to do in here is to just scroll down and then I'm going to click where it says help. So click on help in here. Now I'm going to click where it says report a problem. So click on report a problem. Once again, click on report a problem in here. And then I'm going to click on include and continue. So perfectly, as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here, which is great. What I'm going to do in here is to write exactly like this to the Instagram support. I am having issues with my Instagram Reels lagging. Please fix this for me. So basically, you need to write exactly like this. I am having issues with my Instagram Reels lagging. Please fix this for me. And when you're done, just click on send in the top right corner because basically what will happen now is that YouTube support should actually see this in like 1 to 3 business days basically. And hopefully after they have seen this, then this problem should be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.